problems on this circular motion. Circular motion related problems. Part A, exercise 2, page number 219. Okay, so the point on a rim of a wheel of diameter is given. So this is diameter of this wheel, that is equal to 3 meters. Next, linear velocity is v is equal to 18 meter per second. Next, angular velocity of the wheel, angular velocity omega. So here v is equal to r into omega. Here radius r is equal to d by 2, therefore 3 by 2. This is radius. So omega is equal to v by r. V value is 18 divided by r 3 by 2. Therefore 18 into 2 divided by 3, 6 ja 6 2 ja 12 meter per radians by second. Radian by second. This is angular speed. The speed of a motor is increases from, what is it? Revolutions are given. Number of revolutions per time, that is equal to 1200 by time per minute. Okay, so this is 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 12 20. Okay, so number of revolutions of this wheel, it is increasing from this, what is it, 1200 rpm to 1200 rpm to the wheel rotations will be increases up to, what is it, 800 rpm. Okay, this is wheel rotations are increasing. So next time rotations n2 by t, number of revolutions per time is given, that is 1800 divided by 60, 6 1 ja 6 3 ja 18, 30. Okay, next angular revolution, angular speed of this, what is that, wheel, from this omega 1 is equal to 2 pi into n1 divided by t. Therefore 2 pi into 20, that is equal to 40 pi. And angular speed of this, what is that, next wheel, 2 pi into n2 divided by t. Therefore 2 pi into 30, 6 2 ja okay 3 2 ja 6, 60 pi. This is radian by second. Next, here asking question is, what is it, how many number of revolutions does it makes in the period? Okay, so period of time. So number of revolutions, how many number of revolutions making in this, what is it, period of time. The time value is also mentioned. T is equal to 20 seconds, right? Then number of revolutions, actually theta is equal to 2 pi into n. N is equal to theta divided by 2 pi. Theta is nothing but angular displacement. That value we can find and substitute in them, then we will get n value, right? So first theta is equal to, what is it, theta is equal to angular displacement is equal to angular velocity into s is equal to ut plus half into alpha into t square. Okay, so here alpha value is also unknown term. First we will find this alpha value. Alpha is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by t. Alpha is equal to omega 2, nothing but 60 pi minus, next what is it, 40 pi divided by time 20, that is equal to 20 pi divided by 20. Therefore alpha value is calculated pi. Next, alpha value we can substitute in them, that is theta is equal to omega 1. Omega 1 is nothing but 40 pi into t is 20 plus 1 by 2 into alpha pi into 20 square. Therefore theta is equal to 800 pi plus 1 by 2 pi into 400, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So therefore theta is equal to 1000 pi. Therefore the number of revolutions are equal to 1000 pi divided by 2 pi. Pi get cancelled, 2 1 ja, 2 500s. Number of revolutions 500. Okay, whenever a wheel is making 1200 rpm to 800 rpm, within this duration number of revolutions are 500. A cyclist riding with a speed 27 km per hour as he approaches the circular turn of road of radius. This is circular turn of radius of the road is, what is that, r is equal to what is that, radius 80 meters radius. Next, so cyclist speed is given, v is equal to 27 km per hour. Convert into meter per second, 27 into 5 by 18. Okay, 9 2 ja, 18, 9 3 ja, therefore 3 5 ja, 15 divided by 2 meter per second. Right, this is circular road. Right, here cyclist is making revolutions in the circular road. Next, so here applies a brake and reduces his speed at a constant rate. Right, so here radius is also given, that is 80 meters. Next, then applies a brake and reduces his speed. Brake force is applied, reduces his speed at a constant rate, that is tangential acceleration is also given, 0.50 meter per second square. Then find the net acceleration of this particle. Here centripetal acceleration, this is tangential acceleration, net acceleration a. Therefore a is equal root over a t square plus ac square. So ac is equal to v square divided by r, centripetal acceleration formula. So therefore 15 divided by 2 whole square divided by 80. Therefore 15 into 15 divided by 4 into 80. Okay, so therefore 6 ja, next 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, 15. Therefore AC is equal to 5 by 8. Next, A is equal to net acceleration 80, that is 0.50 whole square plus 5 by 8 whole square. Okay, after simplification we will get result 0.86 meter per second square. Two stones of masses small m and 2m are whirled in a horizontal circle. So, two stones, masses are, what are they? One is 2m, other one is m. So they are wild in a horizontal circle. So these two stones are wild in horizontal circle. Next, here 2m heavier mass, m is lighter mass. One of these radius is r by 2. Okay, heavier mass is located r by 2 distance from this center. Here it is locating r distance from the center. Okay, of a circle. This is total circle. Okay, right. Then the tangential speeds of this, what is it? Lighter stone, and what is it? Nth time. The tangential speed of this, what is it? Lighter stone is tangential speed of this lighter one. This is lighter. It is equal to n times. Okay, the stone that of this, what is it? Heavier. The tangential speed of n times of this heavier. Okay, this is given condition, right? Experience same centripetal force. Here, experiencing same centripetal force. Therefore, centripetal force of this, what is it? Mass m. Okay, first block is equal to centripetal force of this, what is it? Second block. Okay, both of them is equal. Centripetal forces are balancing. Okay, next, the value of this n. Centripetal force is nothing but m into v square for first block. V square divided by r, that is equal to here 2m into, but here heavier tangential speed of this lighter one is, what is it? N times the heavier one. Okay, here m into n into v whole square. This is lighter, this is heavier. Okay, so therefore whole square divided by, what is that? R. R is radius, that is equal to r by 2. So from this, m into n into v square, that is equal to by r, that is equal to 2 2 4 m into v square divided by r. M into n square v square divided by r is equal to 4m into v square divided by r. M v square by r, m v square by r get cancelled. N square is equal to 4. N value, it is equal to 2.